With Ovi?
Yeah.
With Ovi? And who else came?
Bye-bye.
Yeah?
And Uncle Sean.
And?
Uncle Sean.
Yeah, and Uncle Sean?
And who else?
And Mommy came.
Yeah!
Favorite part of the trip?
I don't know. I feel like the paddle was really nice. Like cutting through that tiny little corridor was it's like knowing a secret. You know? So.
What did I like? I am proud of carrying the canoe on my head.
Yeah.
300 meters. I did it.
370.
370. Pretty proud of that. That was pretty cool. What is it? It's the bear barrel.
Why?
Can you say that?
Gabriella.
The bear barrel, because that way if a bear comes, he can't get all our food and eat it.
Where? Where?
Do you want the bear to eat our food?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
We want to eat the food, right?
So we need to go all the way
Yeah,
around.
we want to
Can
eat
you
the
go
food.
around this way?
You make a... It's pretty good.
Right?
What do you like about camping with kids?
I think I like the opportunity to see the natural world through a child's eyes and to remember what it was like to see the world that way myself.
That's nice. I also like the idea of sharing something that I love with someone that I love, where it's completely new for them. And watching the wonder in their eyes sounds so corny, but there is a sense of wonderment, a sense of joy, excitement in a lot of the activities that we're doing. There's also the flip side of things too, when they're just completely uninterested. and not having anything of it, and
you're like, we gotta get over this portage.
yeah.
Camping with kids is hard work. Camping with kids means that you can't necessarily do the things that you want to do all the time.
The harsh realities. But at the end of the day, we get through it, and we get to share those moments.
Little Velcro baby. Are you a Velcro baby? No. Are you a happy baby? No. Okay, what did you love about this trip? What was your favorite part? Did you like throwing the rope over the tree with the barrel?
I liked watching that.
You like watching that? And theorizing plans of how to get it down when it got stuck?
I like being able to rest a lot of it.
Like in the boat, in the middle? Yeah. Portaging?
No, I didn't really rest then. I like meeting the dogs.
Oh, you like meeting the dogs? Are you done your interview?
And cut!
And cut.
This is taking pictures of you. We're taking pictures. Stop recording. Obi, look at this.
Obi, ready for your close-up?
Yeah. Obi,
That might be a little too close.
Hey, it'll be good. That'll probably be in the final
Hi,
video.
sweetheart. You have a poop? Oh, great. Hi. It's too close. You like it? Do you like it hot? Some like it hot. I should drink it now?
I've seen some with
See,
like,
when I said
like
able to drink
inserts,
my coffee,
so
I
it's
want to
like
stay here and drink
insert is
it.
like normal coffee cup.
Especially for my size.
we're taking pictures. We're taking pictures of the road. That's an out. I live with us. It's the trees and pine trees. It's moss growing everywhere.
There he goes. Gonna paddle the canoe.
Paddle our canoe.
Bring us in, Wes.
Bring us home, buddy. Get us there. You got this. You got it, man.
Somehow we made it to here.
Yo, man.
Somehow.